The importance of science education. Science education plays a vital role in shaping modern society. From understanding how the natural world works to solving real-life problems using logic and evidence, science is an essential tool for both personal development and societal progress. As the world becomes increasingly technological and complex, the need for high-quality science education has never been more important. This essay explores the importance of science education, its benefits, challenges, and ways to improve it. Why science education matters. Science helps us understand the universe around us. Whether it's the laws of physics, the structure of atoms, the functioning of the human body, or the biodiversity of ecosystems, science provides the knowledge and tools to make sense of our surroundings. Science education begins this journey by introducing students to basic concepts in physics, chemistry, biology, and earth sciences. Science is not just a body of facts, it's also a method of thinking. It encourages students to ask questions, make observations, test hypotheses, analyze data, and draw conclusions. These scientific thinking skills are useful not just in the lab, but in everyday decision-making, from health choices to understanding news reports. Benefits of science education. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Science teaches students how to approach problems logically and find evidence-based solutions. This helps in developing a mindset that is curious, analytical, and rational. Career opportunities. Many modern careers rely on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Fields like medicine, environmental science, data analysis, and engineering all require a solid foundation in science. Science education prepares students for these rewarding careers. Understanding of global issues. Challenges like climate change, pandemics, and pollution require scientific understanding. Educated citizens can contribute better to solutions and make informed choices that impact the world positively. Innovation and progress. Science drives innovation. From smartphones to space exploration, new technologies depend on scientific research. A society with strong science education is more likely to produce inventors, researchers, and innovators. Challenges in science education. Despite its importance, science education faces several challenges. Lack of resources. In many schools, especially in rural or underfunded areas, science labs, equipment, and teaching materials are limited or outdated. Teacher shortage. Qualified science teachers are in short supply. This results in poor teaching quality and low student interest. Complex curriculum. Some students find science difficult and lose interest early. Without proper guidance and engaging teaching methods, they may feel overwhelmed. Gender gap. Girls and women are often underrepresented in science-related fields due to social and cultural biases, leading to gender inequality in STEM careers. Improving science education. To address these challenges, multiple steps can be taken. Hands-on learning. Instead of just memorizing facts, students should be involved in experiments, projects, and real-world problem-solving. This makes learning exciting and meaningful. Use of technology. Digital tools like simulations, videos, and interactive apps can help students understand difficult concepts better. Virtual labs and online courses can also reach students in remote areas. Teacher training. Investing in teacher education and professional development ensures that educators are knowledgeable and motivated to teach science effectively. Inclusive curriculum. Science education should be inclusive and represent diverse scientists, including women and people from different backgrounds. Encouraging girls and minorities to pursue science can close the gender and diversity gaps. Science fairs and competitions. Events that allow students to showcase their experiments and innovations can inspire creativity and confidence. These activities can also promote teamwork and communication skills. Conclusion. Science education is essential for building a better future. It equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the modern world, make informed decisions, and contribute to global progress. While there are challenges, they can be overcome with the right strategies, investment, and commitment from governments, educators, and communities. A strong foundation in science not only opens doors to exciting careers but also helps create responsible citizens who can address the complex issues facing our world today.